Getting unable to access account error in TikTok on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll guide you on how you can solve this unable to access account error in TikTok. So let's begin. Before doing anything, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn off VPN. Solution 1. Clear app cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. If you don't find the TikTok app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Turn on Live Activity. First, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Apps. Now find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Next, toggle on the Live Activity option. If you see it is toggled on, then toggle it off and then turn it back on. Toggle on the Background App Refresh option. Now go to the TikTok app and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove App. After that, tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Now install the app again. Check your issue to see whether it is solved. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it works. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Or if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.